Effect number 1 of Omega3, Cardiovascular Improvement. Have you ever stopped to think about the impact that daily Omega-3 intake can have on your muscular health and overall health? And what are the side effects of Omega-3 on your muscles? Could Omega-3 cause hair loss? Could it damage your kidneys? This is what we will explore in today's video, so stay tuned until the end to not miss anything, as effect number 10 will surprise you. Omega-3 is one of the most popular supplements in the United States, and it's no wonder. Incorporating this healthy fat into your routine can bring a number of side effects for your health, especially for men over 40. If you want to keep your heart strong, your mind sharp, and even improve physical performance, taking Omega-3 can be a great strategy. But taking Omega-3 every day can also bring side effects to your body. Therefore, watch the video until the end to learn about all 6 side effects of Omega-3 when consumed daily. One of the most well-known side effects of Omega-3 on your body when consumed daily is the significant improvement in cardiovascular health. This supplement is widely recognized for its benefits to heart health. But what exactly happens when you start taking it daily? When you begin using this supplement every day, your body first starts adjusting triglyceride levels, the fat in the blood that, in excess, can significantly increase the risk of heart disease. By including Omega-3 in your daily routine, especially in the morning, the EPA and DHA fatty acids start to reduce triglyceride production by the liver, helping to improve your cardiovascular health. Several studies show that Omega-3 consumption can reduce triglyceride levels by up to 30%, especially in older individuals, primarily after age 40. With daily use of Omega-3, your heart works with less effort, and the arteries remain healthier and functioning optimally. But the benefits don't stop there. With continued use for 30 days, you will also notice a reduction in blood pressure. Taking Omega-3 daily can help keep your blood pressure at adequate levels, which is essential for men over 40 who want to maintain their health without worries. Omega-3 fatty acids contribute to the flexibility of the arteries and improve blood circulation, reducing the pressure on the arterial walls. Over time, you may notice that you feel more energetic and have more stamina throughout the day. This supplement gives you that extra boost you need to finish your workouts at the end of the day. Studies conducted here in the United States show that Omega-3 can also help prevent cardiac arrhythmias in older individuals. These irregular heartbeats can be dangerous and lead to serious complications, such as strokes. Regular intake of Omega-3 helps stabilize electrical signals in the heart, contributing to a healthy and regular heartbeat. So when you take Omega-3 every day, you are providing extra support to your heart to keep it functioning in perfect harmony, without complications. Therefore, the first effect of Omega-3, when consumed daily, is the significant improvement in cardiovascular health. But it doesn't stop there. Effect number 2 of Omega-3 relieves joint pain. If you often experience joint pain, muscular discomfort, or face issues related to chronic inflammation, Omega-3 might be a natural and effective solution. The second effect of Omega-3, when taken daily, is the reduction of joint pain, which is very important for maintaining a daily workout routine after age 40. Omega-3 is widely recognized in the United States for its potent anti-inflammatory action. By taking it daily, you help your body combat inflammation responsible for various issues, from arthritis to more serious conditions like inflammatory bowel diseases. When your body is less inflamed, you experience an overall improvement in well-being, with less pain and greater mobility to perform daily activities and train at the gym. Another benefit that Omega-3 provides your body is relief from joint pain. If you engage in intense physical activities, heavy workouts, or deal with joint pain related to aging, Omega-3 is an excellent ally. It helps to lubricate the joints, reducing stiffness and swelling. Imagine waking up and feeling less discomfort in your knees or back. With daily use of omega-3, this becomes possible. Many people report that after a few weeks of supplementation, the difference is noticeable, with improvement in joint pain due to regular omega-3 consumption. Additionally, the improvement in workouts is noticeable due to the increase in energy. Another benefit is the improvement in muscle recovery. If you train hard and for long periods, omega-3 can accelerate muscle recovery after workouts, especially when taken at night before bed to speed up recovery during sleep. With its anti-inflammatory action, it helps to reduce muscle inflammation after intense exercise, decreasing pain and recovery time. This means you can get back to training your muscles more quickly, improving your fitness in less time. Remember, in this video, we will also discuss the most surprising effect of omega-3 on your body when consumed daily, so stay tuned until the end to not miss this important tip. Effect number 3 of omega-3: brain improvement. As we age, maintaining brain health becomes increasingly important and essential. Therefore, using omega-3 is crucial for supporting brain function, preserving cognitive abilities, and keeping memory sharp. Remember, good mental health is fundamental to muscle health. They go hand in hand. The fatty acids found in omega-3 play a crucial role in the health of our brain cells. By taking omega-3 daily, you can surprisingly improve memory and learning ability in a short time. Research indicates that people with adequate levels of omega-3 in their bodies have a lower risk of developing cognitive problems and dementia as they age, which is a very important factor to consider for daily use. I personally use it every morning to keep my mind sharp and focused on my workouts. Moreover, omega-3 is directly linked to the production of brain chemicals that regulate mood, such as serotonin. People who consume omega-3 regularly report feeling fewer symptoms of depression and anxiety. So, if you've been feeling more stressed, lacking energy to train or exercise, incorporating this supplement into your routine can help improve your mood and bring more emotional balance. For those concerned about long-term mental health, taking omega-3 daily can be a preventive and effective strategy to keep the mind focused and sharp. Many studies show that omega-3 can reduce the loss of brain mass that naturally occurs with age. Therefore, staying sharp and having a clear mind can be one of the great benefits of incorporating omega-3 into your daily life. Effect number 4: weight control. Did you know that omega-3 can be an ally in weight loss? Yes, this good fat can help your body burn more fat in a healthy and fast way. Additionally, omega-3 improves insulin sensitivity, a hormone that regulates blood sugar. When your insulin levels are balanced, your body is less likely to store fat, especially in the abdominal area and glutes. This means that by taking omega-3 every day, you can facilitate the weight loss process, especially if you are on a high-calorie diet phase. Omega-3 can be your ally in burning more fat in less time, as it also helps decrease your appetite during the day, keeping you satisfied for longer after meals. This happens because omega-3 increases the production of hormones that promote the feeling of fullness, helping to control daily calorie intake. A useful tip is to always have some protein bars with you. This way, when hunger strikes, you can choose them instead of ultra-processed products that harm your health. Effect number 5 of omega-3: anti-aging. This is a very common effect in people who use omega-3 daily, especially after age 50, when the skin starts to show signs of aging, such as wrinkles and spots. Regular use of omega-3 not only helps improve skin health, but also benefits the muscles, as it contributes to better protein synthesis in the body. In other words, you improve nutrient absorption and maintain a more youthful appearance. Hey, before we continue, I ask that you subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing, but it helps our channel grow and bring more important health videos to you. So click that subscribe button. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Omega-3 is a healthy fat that helps keep the skin hydrated, elastic, and looking younger, as if you were 20 years old again. It works on the deeper layers of the skin, improving hydration and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. For men who care about appearance, this is a natural and effective way to keep the skin healthier, firmer, and free of spots. Additionally, Omega-3 has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation associated with acne. If you suffer from this issue, incorporating Omega-3 into your diet can contribute to clearer, blemish-free skin, as well as help regulate metabolism and promote the loss of unhealthy body fat. Effect number 6 of Omega-3, Eye Improvement. Another interesting benefit of Omega-3 is its positive impact on eye health. DHA, one of the main fatty acids in Omega-3, is an important structural component of the retina, making your eyes considerably better after using Omega-3 for more than 30 consecutive days, acting as a protection against macular degeneration. This is undoubtedly one of the main benefits of Omega-3 for the eyes, its ability to combat macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults in the United States and the UK. Omega-3, especially DHA, helps protect against this condition by keeping the retina healthy. Therefore, people who take Omega-3 daily have a lower risk of developing this disease, preserving clear vision for longer compared to those who do not use this supplement daily. Additionally, Omega-3 helps relieve dry eye syndrome, which is a very common condition for people who spend many hours in front of computers or electronic devices. This can cause the dreaded dry eye syndrome. Taking Omega-3 every day can help alleviate this problem, as it improves tear production and eye lubrication. It's like giving an extra layer of protection to your vision, making it more comfortable throughout the day and improving your eye health, while also preventing more serious diseases caused by lack of eye care. Before you go, click on the video, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any important videos for you. Don't forget to activate the notification bell.